All right, in this video, we're going to get started from scratch and kind of come up with a kind of a new app that is going to test some finance stuff. So the first thing we're going to do is log into Anvil. And you can see I'm logged in. I'm going to go ahead and say create an application. And from here, I'm just going to select the material design theme. And it's going to open it up and create it in here. And the first thing I'm going to do is just rename this. I'm going to call this something like future value calculator. Something like that. So rename that. Okay. And you'll see it was renamed here, future value calculator. And I have my home form. Okay. And in home form, let's go ahead and rename that. I actually like calling it home form. It's pretty cool. And that's pretty good. So, so far, that's all we need to do. And we're going to actually have two components or two other forms that are going to come in here. So, but this is going to be where we create our application. So we're going to, let's just go ahead and do a couple things. So let's add a label to the title up here and just call this, in this label, you'll notice over here on the left, you have the properties for that label type. So the first thing we want to do is change out the text, and we want to call it, say, something like future value calculator, okay? Something like that. And we'll add another label to this side, and on this side, we'll call it Brian Marshall. So I have my name on it, okay? And you notice we have this content panel. It comes with a content panel already on there. So for right now, we're going to add some stuff to that. So the first thing I want to do is add a grid to it. So if I come over here and click on more components, I'm just going to drag this grid and put it right inside that content panel. Okay, and this is a grid. So on this grid, we're going to just say grid home, something like that. And let's add some components to it. So let's add to this grid home, let's say, put that here and add another one right below it like that. And notice it's creating these rows. And then we'll add a text box. Oh, that was too big of a text box. So just like that, and we'll add another text box like so. And then let's add a button. So we'll put the button down here, and it'll go like that. And so far, that's all we're doing. And so on this label, we can say, we can change out the labels, we can change out the text boxes, and then change out the button information and really get started on this future value calculator.